legit. Before you put a single dollar into Winvest.com, you need to hear what real reviewers and watchdog platforms are actually saying about it. In this video, I am going to break down the promises, the red flags, and the facts so you can make an informed decision for yourself. Winvest presents itself as a next-generation, AI-powered Bitcoin investment platform, supposedly founded in 2018 by AI scientists and professional traders. It claims to operate through Wealth Invest Corp. with an address listed in Midtown Manhattan. On the surface, that sounds polished, but the reality underneath is far less convincing. First, look at what the platform is actually promising. Winvest advertises returns of 3% per day, which equals about 180% in just 60 days. To put that in plain English, no legitimate investment on Earth can deliver those returns consistently. Even the best hedge funds in the world average around 20% per year, not per day. When a platform promises daily returns that beat Wall Street by a factor of 50, that is one of the most well-known red flags in investing. Second, independent trust platforms give Winvest cautious ratings. Scam Detector scores the site at just 55.6 out of 100 and tags it as questionable and controversial. The Wikibit Forex review rates trust and safety at only 1 out of 10, citing offshore registration, no clear regulatory oversight, and user reports describing the platform as potentially fraudulent. Third, here is the part glossy ads never mention. Trustpilot has publicly stated they removed a number of fake reviews tied to this company, something you rarely see from a legitimate business. Real users have also posted warnings about suspicious paid-to-click activity connected to the site. A platform promising 3% daily returns, no fees, and no withdrawal limits is not offering an investment. It is offering a payout structure that is mathematically designed to collapse. So what should you actually do? Here is the pro tip. Before signing up with any investment platform, check whether the company is registered with a recognized financial regulator like the SEC, FCA, or ASIC. Verify the physical address through an independent search. Search the company name alongside the word scam to see what current users are reporting, and remember the golden rule. If the promised return sounds too good to be true, it almost always is. To wrap up, Winvest.com promises returns no legitimate investment can sustain, carries cautious to poor trust scores from independent reviewers, and has had fake reviews removed from its reputation profile. The smartest move is to do your homework and keep your money in a regulated investment you actually understand. If this breakdown saved you from a costly mistake, hit like so more people can see it. Subscribe for more honest platform reviews and drop a comment telling me, what other investment sites should I review next?